One day, Jesus told his disciples that if they refuse to serve and worship God, God could raise up worshippers from stones. The message was simple. No one is irreplaceable when they refuse to rise to their calling. Today, our community is facing the same warning that if we do not take our responsibilities seriously, if we do not rise, unite, and build a stronger, more stable, more ambitious community, will become irrelevant. And just like in that story, we too can be replaced. We must wake up before we reach a point where our absence doesn't matter, where symbolically stones become more valuable than the people who were called to lead, build, and uplift. Look at what has happened to our own people, where more than 20 million of our brothers and sisters have died in the east of Congo. And the world barely reacted. Life went on. People continued enjoying technologies made from the rare earth taken from under our feet. In many ways, Jesus was talking about us. And now, with the rise of Genai, which is built from those same minerals, we are being replaced again. Machines are taking our place in workplaces. And in the countries where we sought refuge, we have become so unorganized, so economically weak, that even our legal status cannot protect us from being pushed out. Because we built nothing together. Because we organized nothing financially or structurally. We have become vulnerable to every political wind and every propaganda. This is why I'm asking, truly asking, that we come together through Community Dreammakers to build a diaspora that is stronger, more stable, wealthier, and more relevant. Our future depends on this.